And your exhaust sounds modified. Can you pop the hood for me?
Well, got another ticket. This is probably the sickest Lambo I've ever seen in person. Just admire it, bro. Just look at it. You guys taking that V8 chop or the inline 6 chop? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Starting this video off next to the GT4. Very, very nice. You guys are gonna see a lot of that in this video. We are currently heading to one of SoCal's biggest, like, supercar car meets, I guess you could say. It happens every Saturday. For those of you guys that live in SoCal, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. South OC Cars and Coffee. I don't think I've ever taken this car to it, so I thought, why not bring you guys a video. Yesterday when the idea came to my head, I was like, should I even go? It's probably gonna be a boring video. But then I realized a lot of you guys aren't even in California, and some of you guys might not know how the California car scene is, so I might as well bring you guys along, show you guys a little bit of what Cali has car wise. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, California car meets be hitting different. There's a lot of sick cars, especially at this one, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see what we run into. We are currently, like, I want to see 30 or 40 minutes away, so almost there. I'll pick up the camera once we're there, or if we like see some pretty sick cars on the road. Look at the views in this toll road, guys. Hella foggy. Oh yeah, we're not alone. There's Eric, as usual. Sick ass dude, it's raining. I am so glad I did not wash this car before coming here. And I was this close to washing it again this morning just to come over here, and wow, am I glad I didn't.
A few moments later.
How's it going, boss?
The Highway Patrol. For a couple of reasons. The registration on the car's expired, and your exhaust sounds modified. Your driver's license on you?
Yeah. So I got pulled over for the same reason.
Okay.
So my ticket is due next week, so I was obviously going to take care of it.
I'm just out of it with you?
Yeah. So here's the ticket. Here's my license.
Here. Alright, do you have the registration and insurance for the car?
Yeah. Should be one of those. Is that the correct one or no?
It's an old one, but I'll make it work.
Oh, okay.
Can you pop the hood for me?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm not going to give you another ticket for the registration, but it's just a fix-it ticket to get the modified muffler taken off.
Okay.
Alright, so you just sign for it. By signing for it, not saying you're guilty, you're supposed to take care of it.
Alright.
I want to get the registration taken care of soon because that ticket says it's supposed to be done by Tuesday.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I wasn't going to get it taken care of. I just...
You're back for the ticket?
Alright.
At least I got the fixed ticket.
Is everything back for you? Any questions at all?
No.
Okay, drive safe, guys.
Oh, actually, do I have to come to court all the way over here or no?
No, if you get it signed off, you just upload it to the court website and take care of it that way.
Oh, okay, thanks, boss.
Yeah. Drive safe.
You too. Well, got another ticket. Oh my god, bro. I should have stayed my ass in bed, and I was not gonna come over here. I was like, nah, I'll just stay home in bed, but whatever. So he ended up getting me for... I haven't smogged this car. I don't know why. I don't know why. I've just been liking it. I haven't smogged it, so obviously my taxes are paid, but the registration isn't updated or whatever. And I was literally gonna get it taken care of this week, but I didn't. And then he got me for modified exhaust. He did ask me, Eric, stop recording. Sick ass Camaro. That was gonna come for you, buddy. Nah, but he did ask me, he asked me to pop the hood. Obviously I did. And then he asked me if I still had the cats on the car. I said yes. I was like, yeah, whatever, I'll test my luck. And I said yes, and he believed me. I'm honestly surprised he didn't smell the 85, because right now that I'm driving, I could smell it, like, quite a bit. But yeah, I mean, it could have been a lot worse. In this city where I got pulled over, cops are known. So that's one way to start our morning, right? But anyways, enough of all that. Let's hit this meat. Once he told me to pop the hood, I was like, oh, this dude is about it. he's about to ref me. But I guess it's a good thing that I stayed composed. And when he asked me if I had cats, I was like, yes. It was like an immediate yes. Well, like I said, I don't know how I did this on the 85, bro. This shit stinks like 85. Oh man, honestly, I just thank God I'm not in the Z. If I was in the Z, I would have been totally like totally. Oh man, California. It's too beautiful to move out though. Just gotta deal with it, I guess. So I'm telling Eric that now with the next turbo kit that I get on the Z, I'm thinking about just doing like a valved exhaust or something like that on the Z instead of like a Tome. Just for moments like these. But then again, part of me is like a full sender, so I might just whatever. That's how it is to live in Cali, you guys. It's funny, I'm literally showing you guys this me, how it is, how the Cali car scene is, and this part of the video was literally essential to it, I guess. This is how it is to be a part of the car scene in California. If you have a modified car, expect to get pulled over. Expect it. I mean, it is what it is. And it's training over here now again. At this point, I just came for a ticket. You ran into some G-Fam and Q-Fam? Alright then. It's a casual. Alright guys, safe to say we made it. Starting off with this Mark IV Supra. Alright then. The NSX right behind me. Oh look, the new Z. Oh, sick ass fool. Should I buy one?
Yeah, you should.
So that's another thing I want to talk to you guys in this video. This thing might actually be sold very soon, and that's one of the contenders. But I don't know if I want to pay 50-60 bands for a Z. They're sick though. I mean, kind of, I think. What do you think about them? Honest opinion, bro.
I don't like it.
You don't at all?
No.
I don't know, bro. Just imagine the black one. Oh my god, bro, it should be fire. R33.
You know what else is gonna be?
Man. What?
The new electric Lamborghini.
Who? Passed. I'm just kidding. So here's the Z we're behind. It's the base model. Is it? Oh, it's manual though. Shit. What do you guys think? I don't know, man. Guys, check out this CS in the parking lot. Or parking garage, whatever. With the red buckets. Big baller. Must be nice, sir. This is my dream daily. Not necessarily a CS, but like a new M3s, carbon buckets. Alright guys, we made it. Look at that Porsche, bro. That is absolutely fire. I need to post that on the gram. Hold up. Got the Porsche lined up.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's fire right here. On the BBSs. On the TEs, alright. That's clean. Oh, look at this one. The J-Spec. Oh, this one's fire. Damn, bro. I'm not that big of a fan of Porsches, but I think I'm gonna have to cop one day. What about you? Oh, you don't care?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this gem over here. Absolutely fire. Wide body. That thing is wet, bro. Wet. Just to give you guys a little idea of what this car meet looks like. There's cars everywhere. And it's already almost over. Well, it's like an hour till it's over. But let's keep walking around and show you guys some pretty sick exotics here. Start with this absolutely insane Huracan. BBS's, bro. Oh my gosh. If I was a baller and I had a Lambo, this would probably be what it looked like. Just look at it, bro. This is probably the sickest Lambo I've ever seen in person. In general, even on the internet, this thing's fucking sick. Let's check out this SF90 over here. I think I've seen it here a couple times. This thing is absolutely fire. Just imagine, bro. Imagine dating this. Imagine putting it to the gym in this. That is insane, bro. That's crazy. Just admire it, bro. Just look at it. Oh shit, they're coming back for me. They heard I was coming to the car meet. This color is actually pretty fire.
Johnny,
What are you guys thinking? This one? Or the crazy red one? I think I'm taking this car over any other car here. This thing is crazy, bro. I can't get over it. Damn, bro. Got a super clean E92 right here. I feel like this is a car that I have on my bucket list too. Like as an extra car. I love the way these cars sound. Ultimate daily right here. RSQ8. The Audi Urus. Fire. So the guy that hosts these cars and coffees, I think these are his cars. How about boy, you need that 50 or what? So listen to the idol of that freaking RA, bro. Oh, never mind. Got that stage 5 clutch. Who's about to get state rep? White GTRs will always hit. Check out this Mark 5 Super over here. Oh, right then. Got the Q50 on the 57 CRs. Damn, this thing is fire, bro. Super clean. Got this gem, stock 350Z Nismo. You trying to sell it, sir? Is it for sale? Guys, check out this GT500 over here. Oh my goodness. This thing is insane. Carbon fiber, bro. What color is this car, bro?
Carbon fiber. Black.
It looked black from far, but it's carbon fiber. That's insane, bro. This is crazy. Wow. For sure my favorite muscle car here. That's insane. Potential replacement for the Q50. 1 out of 30. What do you guys think? Potential replacement number 2. Got a little bit of everything here. 3.6. Potential replacement number 2. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel about paying 50 G's for a used Supra. You think so? Very nice though. I love it. And 4. It's still so crazy to me how with a downpipe and a tune you're making 700 wheel with these cars easily. It's insane to me. We got one of Eric's next cars here. No? I'm telling him to get a Mustang, guys, because his first car in high school was a Mustang. I feel like it'll be sick.
We could be that.
Oh, you trying to join the Beamer squad with me or what?
Let's go.
Another car I've been thinking about is the F80. Even F82, honestly. I feel like I still prefer F80 over the F82, but like that blue one is super clean. See, with the big wing. That's your next car right there, huh?
Yep.
More than likely. M240, what do you guys think about these cars? I like them, I'm not gonna lie. I just don't know if I like them enough to own one, but these are pretty sick. B58. And then 2 spots next to it, we got the M2 with the S58. The same motor in the M4 over there that I just told you guys that if you add a downpipe and a tune, you're making like 700 wheel horsepower. It's insane, bro. To me, it still blows my mind. But out of both cars, out of the M4 and the M2, I will take this one over M3. In my opinion, looks so much better. So fire. All right, guys, help. That or that? Keep in mind, there's like a $10,000 difference. And one's more comfortable than the other. The ultimate daily right here. This will be a flex of daily drive, bro. All those supercars are leaving. Damn, which one are you guys taking? The RSQ8 or the Urus? Pretty much the same thing. Just one's Audi, one's a Lamborghini. Pretty much think of like the Huracan and the R8. Nah, I'm still taking the Urus. Bro, I didn't even see this GT3 over here. Yeah, I need one of these one day. I just know this car in the canyon is so freaking fun. Check out this thing over here. Which one are you guys taking? The Supra or the Vet? I'm taking the Supra. You guys taking that V8 chop or the inline 6 chop? I don't know, bro. I'm taking the Supra all day. This thing is so sick. On the 15s. I love his plate, by the way. It's so sick. You think that Supra got me?
Yeah, 100%.
You got no faith in your boy. crazy Huracan is leaving. Oh my god, bro, that car is so beautiful. My favorite car here for sure. Check out this mint Z06. Once again, another car that I have on my bucket list one day. LS7. This thing is so beautiful. Wow. I need one day. Heads cam, intake, headers, 85. That's all I need. Got an R33 leaving over there. A lot of people don't like that car for some reason. I love it. I'll take that over R32 all day. Obviously not over R34, but I'll definitely take it over R32. This has got to be the best play I've seen here so far. Wow! Wow! Oh, this is sick, dude. This is sick. But does it got a blower? No. Still nice though. Oh, bro, that GT500. So mean, bro. Imagine this thing would have pulled me over today. Oh man, the future right there, bro. This Huracan is insane. What would I do with money? I need a sugar mama. Oh, then I'm about to get down. Imagine pulling up in this in the 1930s for a first date. For sure getting laid, huh? Got a demon. I for sure gotta race one of these in the Z. You said what?
All to get gapped by a Z.
Maybe. I hope so. Nah, I'm pretty sure, yeah. I'll probably be. Alright guys, we're back in the car. We're leaving now. Pretty much over. Gonna grab a bite to eat and see what else we do today. Alright guys, it is now a while after that last clip you guys just saw. It's currently like 3 in the morning. I just finished editing this video and I noticed I didn't close it out, so here I am closing it out for you guys. Yeah, there you guys have it. I got pulled over yet again in this car. And another ticket. It's crazy, bro. I was thinking about this earlier. I've actually gotten more cop trouble in this car than in this car, which is actually crazy to me. But honestly, I'm grateful that I get pulled over more in that car than this car, because in this car, it's a lot more likely that they'll hit me with the book. So I definitely don't want that with this car. That one, I'm not gonna say I don't care, but I don't care as much as it feels with this car. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, finish editing this video, and go to sleep, bro. I'm like half asleep right now. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.